Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's find the backup option, and as you can see we have to tap on simply backup on add account option. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it, as you can see. So let me enter the password. I have to do it out of the screen. Alright, so let's tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so as you can see you can use 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Of course you can tap on more details to learn more. Here your device is telling you that it will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to backup easily. To manage your backup easily, sorry. So if for some reason you do not want to back up the data right now, just tap on not now, and as you can see you will simply go back to the system settings, and of course after deciding that you want to backup, just tap on backup again, and all I wanted to show you is that you will come back directly to this step, so you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account. So just tap on turn on, and as you can see we've been transferred to the backup section. Let's say here we've got the account storage, we can manage it, we can check for how much space we've got left, and under it we've got the backup details, so which sections have been backed up. Here you've got also the option to backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep it turned off because sometimes using it may charge you. I mean, may cause some payments. So all you have to do is to simply tap on backup now, of course, confirm it with the screen lock, and as you can see right now your device is backing up the data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your LENOVO Tab P12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.